I don't know, we're gonna lose the shop. Oh shit. It's slop shop day. Today we're in the shop, the shop of slop, the swap shop. We're working on some rear ends again. This is the nice new shiny Jag. We're gonna yank this really not very nice 288 and open center rear end out. Judging by the way this car looks, it shouldn't be too horrible. And we might even get some commentary. Remember this dusty Z28 that sits in the back? The guy remembered that he owns it. He decided to come and work on it.
Hello.
What are you doing over here?
Oh, nothing, you know, just
okay.
trying to fake it until I make it.
Ooh. Good luck. We're gonna go back over here now. I don't know, we're gonna lose the shop. Oh shit.
I would legit have a brand new fucking Cadillac or Denali or something rather than...
Yeah, I got 2 1/4 stainless to make hot side with, and then I ordered B-bands to weld onto the manifolds.
You're gonna run the manifolds down or up?
I think down.
I guess however it's gonna fit with this.
Yeah, whatever's gonna work. And then after that, I want to run a loud valve, so this thing will have full exhaust, but then it'll dump.
Just put some Flowmaster 40s right here. Make it sound like a half-ton truck.
I think it'd be kind of funny just to run the stock fucking muffler.
Yeah, I mean it's right to there.
Just leave the up pipes and we can take it up to Chad's.
So there's one muffler there, or is there?
There's another muffler here, but we get rid of that. We just run these. Yeah.
Don't want it too close. Throw a couple of cats in there too, you know?
What?
EPA?
Sell some cats.
EPA? No, you gotta spend $2,000 on new cats.
No. You're crazy.
I am crazy.
So, run a loud valve, so run like 3.5, 4 inch off of the turbo into a loud valve.
Like right underneath the passenger floor there and shoot it like kind of...
Yeah, just wherever it'll fit, yeah. Run like 2 feet of pipe off of the turbo to a loud valve. So that way when it builds boost, it dumps.
You gonna run into the exhaust then or what?
The what?
The thing into the...
The wastegate?
Yeah, wastegate.
No.
They're just gonna dump the atmosphere down. That'd be crazy to imagine like doing that Mustang shit in your fucking driveway. Like I can't even imagine like
putting a crankshaft in a Mustang in my driveway without pulling the engine.
I mean nowadays you just go fucking buy a junkyard truck engine for $300 and it's fucking easier than that.
Yeah. Would have been way easier and probably cost the same amount of money.
Yeah, because you just have to take the bell housing bolt out and undo the wire on rather than undoing every fucking piston, main cap, all that shit.
Instead of pulling the engine, I pulled the trans,
You pulled everything else.
the fucking K-member.
Did you pull a K-member too?
Yeah.
You could pull the engine in like 10 minutes. Jesus Christ. That's great.
I had a lot of ambition, just not a lot of brains.
Not a lot of brain. You fucking stepping over dollars.
All right, folks, we're inside of the Jag. Excuse me. We took some mufflers off, some exhaust. Got that out of the way. Did some control arms. Now we're gonna undo a brake line, a park brake line, and then this rig is ready to come out of here. Yeah, those calipers do look fairly fresh.
Probably within 5 to 10 years old.
In between
5 or 86?
In between 1 and 40 years old.
Yeah.
All right, kids. Did I interrupt?
Yeah.
These two are talking
Have a
about.
goddamn conversation.
Two are talking about nothing.
We can't swear.
The brake line is undone. Park brake is undone. We're gonna undo some things here. There's like some bolts that hold that in.
Some birds.
And then this thing will just fall right out. And then Dylan will put the new one back in, and I'll just drink some beer.
No thanks. Hard pass on that one.
YouTube heard it, dude. It's fucking law.
Alright, Dylan has to put it in now.
Oh, I suppose I gotta go, guys. Been nice seeing you. See you next year.
Glad I could make my yearly appearance. Oh, baby. So we currently have, come over here. Get over here. I believe that's gonna be an issue. These mufflers are gonna have to come out. Anyways, I believe all the bolts are loose. This thing's ready to come on out. But we have a problem. That's our little transmission jack there. So I believe the plan is we'll raise the floor jack all the way up, toss her here, and just let it down on the floor jack. Slide that out, slide the new one in. Then this jag can go outside. Then this jag can come back on the lift. We can slide this fella up under there. Then this jag can go on the trailer and get out of my life. Sound like a plan? Deal. Ready, set, go. Oh, that was ready to come out, folks. Boy. Okay, this is ready to go inside of the car. Let's put it in. The obligatory, that's what she said. Do appreciate you watching though. I think this is the point where you would say like and subscribe. I think that's how that goes. Let's move this out of the way. I did check these over independent of each other. And as far as I can tell, there really aren't any, you know, there's not one that's overall in better shape. Basically what I was kind of checking just to make sure it wouldn't make sense to put the center section and brakes out of the old rear end into this one, but I don't think it does. About time you show up for work. This thing's gonna even have a park brake now.
Mind if I do?
Can I have a piece of Dylan's gum?
Getting off a parking brake all hooked up?
Oh yeah.
What'd you even have to do?
There's like little, the park brake assembly's bolt right here. There's like little pins that slide through them.
Just squeezes the rope.
And then that cable comes through here and it's like a little cam. And so the brake pads have their own, or the park brake have their own little brake pads.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
It was easy enough to put in. So this is the part of the video where my microphone dies and I don't realize it. So what we're doing now is we've got the old rear end in the new Jag and the new rear end going in the old Jag. We were gonna do some rigmarole with like swapping the cars around and all kinds of crazy shit, but then we realized we could just jack the back end of the old Jag up, is what we're doing now, and kind of scooch her on in with the jack just like so, and basically put that rear end in like you've seen me do 30 times now. It's getting to be ridiculous. I'm so glad to be done with these rear end swaps. But at this point, we're getting the rear end in. This silver Jag is already sold and out of my life, and some new owner has it, and I'm pretty sure they're ripping some parts out of it. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and see ya.